Hey guys, Dimitri with you today. Sweating here again. Anyways, I got Honda Civic 2002 Honda Civic Si hatchback EP3. It's that type. I'm gonna show you that type hatchback. That side. Anyways, I got it from someone, fixed up. It hit the curb, airbags opened up, got the damage on the rim and suspension, but we're not talking about that today, but we're talking about the passenger side airbag. If you can see, it opened, and I'd like to find the identical one. I'm not really sure if the Civic Si, not a hatchback, is going to fit. I know a lot of parts fit from Acura RSX. It's a little two-door thingy. I ordered driver's airbag. Those are very common, and it's the same setup. Acura RSX or Honda Civic Si hatchback EP3. Anyways, now apparently that the passenger side is not the same. So anyways, I was trying to find a video if anybody was taking it out and how to do it, and I couldn't find anything. Decided to do it myself. Anyways, here's the easy peasy part. You have your, so the bolts, actually those nuts, they're hidden under that glove box. How to open the glove box, because it was opening only to here and that's it, right? So that thing has those stoppers. And these stoppers, one on the right, the left side, one is on the right. So these stoppers here, let me see how to, oh, there it is. Those are the holes from it. So the stoppers, they're like this. Not to let the door open all the way out, right? How they go in? They're going in from inside. There's those little, change my hand. So it sits like this. Alright. These guys here. You're going to squeeze these. Squeeze those guys. And just push it out like that on both sides. All right, and then your glove box is going to open all the way. And then it will be harder to see probably, but let me see if I can put that light in there. Alright. There's no light. So let me see if I can show it to you. Alright, those empty holes, there is 1, 2, and there is a third one. There's three nuts like that. They look like this, 10mm nuts. You're going to take those out. And also this, if you see, it's on the left side of the glove box. This yellow one, the yellow plug right here, it's for the airbag. You're going to take this one off and those 3 nuts, and all you're gonna do is pull that thing up, and here it is. So here are those three. 1, 2, and 3. Those 3 nuts that you're gonna take out. And this is it. So when you put it back in, you just go the opposite way. You're gonna put it in, make sure those reach the holes where it's supposed to be, and you put the nuts back, plug in this yellow plug, and you're done. I'm not sure about resetting SRS, but we'll keep up with that later on when I get the new airbag. See you guys.